डू यू फील जितने लोग छोड़ते हैं इस उम्मीद में कि उन्हें वो एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस बना देंगे, एंटरप्रेन्योर बन जाएंगे और बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस करेंगे, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत नॉइज़ है एवरीवेयर, डू यू थिंक हर किसी को बनना चाहिए एंटरप्रेन्योर? हर कोई बन सकता है सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर?
मेरा इस पे ना थोड़ा आंसर इज अ कंफ्यूजिंग येस एंड नो आंसर. मतलब सपने देखने का हक मेरे हिसाब से हर किसी का है, ठीक है. और उस सपने को एक चांस देने का की जिम्मेदारी हर किसी की भी है. कि अगर आपने सपना देखा है ना, चुल ले यार, या तो पूरी करनी पड़ेगी या बुझानी पड़ेगी. लाइक आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. I'll give you a very simple example. I had a telecaller on my team. He was an engineering dropout.
Okay.
ठीक है.
टेलीकॉलर
था. ठीक है. हम जब B2B में करते थे, we used to make calls, set up appointments, go. अब ये टेलीकॉलर ना इंजीनियरिंग ड्रॉप आउट था, साउथ इंडियन फैमिली से था. ओके. एंड ये क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग में फेल हुआ और इसका ईयर बैक था ना, his family kind of lost respect for him. Now this guy had very low self-worth at one point of time, because घर पे तो रोज गालियां पड़ रही है कि तू यूजलेस है, तू हमारे ऊपर लाइबिलिटी है, हमारी कितनी आशाएं थी तुमसे. So every day is getting that. As an engineer, he joined us as an intern for telecalling. And telecalling is not a job that people desire for. No? It's a job mostly taken by people who have no other option. Yeah. He worked with us as an intern. Couldn't clear his year back. So parents were like, you're useless. We said, look, we don't care about a degree. Work with us full time. You're doing well. You're biting into the skill really well. You're doing well. He worked with us full time as a telecaller for a good 5 years. Okay. Did really well for himself. Added a lot of value to us as well. There came a stage where I felt we didn't have a bigger game for him. Okay. And there also came a stage where he wanted to play bigger. उसमें भी desire था. हमारे पास, we were not capable enough to give him a bigger opportunity. The scope of that work was limited. So, and he was very hesitant to start a business. I said, look, you have a hunger. Do you want to start? Do you want to start your own business? And he's like, what should I start? I said, look, so many small businesses need telemarketing as services. Can you build a telemarketing agency? Okay. I think one of the most highlight moments of my journey as an entrepreneur was not when he started. When 2 years after him starting, he came back and signed up for coaching with us as a client, saying, I'm scaling my team, I need your help. It was the most special feelings. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I know there were people in my team who are not happy with me having this conversation with him, literally to persuade him to start. I asked him to go. I said, do this. Again, people are like, why? We could have done this. I said, I believe he has a bigger game there.
Yeah. इधर नहीं तो
now see,
stunt हो जाएगी.
If I look at it from a transactional view, I have lost talent.
Yeah.
Talent that I've developed for 7 years, 2 years as an intern, 5 years as a full-timer. But I know this story of this telemarketer starting his own business inspires so many of my team members to own this organization as their own, saying कि ये करेंगे तो हमारे लिए अच्छा ही करेंगे.
Yeah.
And that trust is a responsibility to be lived up to every single day. Huh?
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.